Grit Freedom Chair. We're going to build it so that we can go for a trek while camping. Every other time I've had it built, somebody else has done it for me. Unlock the brake. Grit Freedom Chair. It's good for somebody who has less strength in their upper body to be able to plow through the grass and gravel and uneven terrain. This provincial campground is perfect for it. Provincial campgrounds in BC have free camping for wheelchair users, so that's cool. Ugh. It's a bit of a runaround to get the application, but once you mail all the proper things in, then you get it. All right. Balance 101. Grit Freedom Chair is super reasonable. Well, for adaptive equipment. $3,000? Quick release. Give her a little shake. Oh no, wrong way. Beautiful. And the wheels are the hardest part. Spin that the right way. The police baton goes in the hole. Oh, it's gonna be too far. Oh, crap. Spin it out so it locks the tire. That's all it takes to put together. Oh, there are anti-tippers that go in with these screws underneath. But then it stops you from doing drops unassisted, so I haven't figured that out yet. Butt right back in there. Oh yeah. It's a little tall for my feet right now, but that's okay. Stay. Oh. Then you go for a cruise. So it's got automatic brakes from rolling backwards with these handles. These are also brakes, emergency brakes. And then these handles are for somebody to help you. I definitely think, I don't know, I would like to leave them there because I don't have the core function to balance this thing, I found. And then it just goes forward with a push, which is dope. But like, there's definitely wheelie possibilities with the thing. And that's awesome, but I can't bring her forward because I can't really stop myself beyond, you know, going downhill, I hit my knees. We try a little hill. Watch me, Endo.
There's a hill going into the campsite where you could try and go down.
Well, that's what I was saying. There's a little one. Without a chest strap. We'll see how she goes. See, that even to me is like a big hill. If I did that little one over there. There's no way. I'm not doing it. I'm like, maybe this. That's maxed out. And it hurts my back. Wheelies are the most fun. How do I get out? Well, brakes. Safety first. I'll lose my chair in the lake. The dismount. Oh. Physics is your best friend. The wind helps. Yeah. Great freedom chair.